So guys, in today's video we are going to start a Python course, Python programming. So in today's video, this is the first video of the Python course. So in today's video I'm going to tell you how can you make your device able to run or interpret Python code. Whatever Python code you write, your device will not run by itself. You need to download the Python package. So first let's see what Python is. So I'll search Python. So here, as you can see, the Python, according to Wikipedia, is a high-level programming language for general purpose programming, and its design philosophy emphasizes code readability with the use of significant indentation via the offside rule. Now you may think why Python is the most popular programming language currently, and why most of the programming learners want to learn Python. So that is because Python code is very easy and it is very much relatable. It's very similar to the English language. And for example, if you want to write hello world, for the same code in Python you will just need to write one line of code, and in C++ or Java you will need to write many lines. So yeah, that's the reason, because it's easy and efficient. So now see how you can make your device in Python. You search python.org on your browser. Go to your browser, whichever browser you use, search python.org. Go to its website. After the website is loaded, make sure you search this link. If you search in python.com or some other thing, you may get some fake you may get a fake website from where you may download virus or something, which is not my fault. So make sure you search www.python.org. Now here, when the time I am recording this video, the latest version of Python, you can see the latest version of Python here, latest Python 3.11.3. so when I am recording this, the latest version is Python's version 3.11.3. now when I upload this and when you see this video, the version may change, but there is no need to worry. You only have to download the latest version available. So if you click here, go to downloads, hover on the downloads, click on Python 3.11.3, and yes, you should note that Python 3.9 and above cannot be used on Windows 7 or earlier. Once you have clicked on that, a file ask will open, asking for the download. So after you have downloaded it's a Python exe file. So you only need to download it. I have already downloaded it. So let me show you how to run Python. Once you have downloaded the Python file, now I have downloaded it in this folder, Python tutorial. So here it is. I have downloaded it here. Here's what you have downloaded. So now you have to double click on it. Wait for it to open. See, a Python 3.11.3 setup is now visible. Now you do not need to change anything here. If you change anything here, then there is a slight chance that you will get some errors while you are trying to execute your code, because for beginners if you are beginner, you do not need to change it. Now first, if you want to customize installation, if you want to view what's here, now here in the Python setup, once you go to optional features or customize installation, you need to make sure all these boxes are already checked, so that you get everything in one download: pip, idle, and whatever is needed for the Python execution. Now we'll go back. You can also click on python.exe, add python.exe to path. Now, if you don't want to install any other heavy or high storage, hi-fi, whatever you can say, text editors or code editors, you only want to run it in Notepad or idle or anything else, you can click on add python.exe to path. What it will do is, if you click on this, then you will be able to run Python from command prompt. If you don't know what command prompt is, we'll gonna be using it oftenly in this course, because that's where you can download many things for Python with the help of pip. But I'll suggest you to click on add python.exe to path, then click on install now. Just have a look at where it is going to get installed. So this is going to get installed in app data, local programs, Python 3.11. Okay, so now you only have to click on install now. So for the device will ask you for permission. You need to click on yes. Now I'll meet you after download has completed. One thing that you need to make sure is that it will take some time, so give it all time that it needs. Don't get frustrated, and it also depends on your computer's speed, so don't frustrate and click on cancel. As you can see here, this setup is downloaded, like it has installed Python into my device. So you need to click on close. Once it is downloaded, you can press Windows plus R to open run. Another way to open run is right click on the Windows logo, start button, and then click on run. It will open this window right here, run. Now what you need to do here is type cmd here. CMD stands for command prompt, which I discussed earlier in this video. So you can open command prompt. Now there are many ways to open command prompt, which I have discussed in another video. You can watch that video after this video. Now as you can see here, your command prompt is now opened. Now what you need to type here is Python. here, because if you had done that add Python to path, if you clicked on that, it will work here. See, you can see the version here, version and everything here. This means that Python is successfully downloaded and installed in your computer. Now, if you want to exit this, just restart command prompt. Now type in pip. Pip I'll tell you about what is pip in the next video. Now here, see, if all after typing pip, if you can see all these things, then you just need to understand one thing, that now you can run Python from now onwards. Just type Python, and now you can write Python, for example, print hello world. It is printed hello world right there. Print 227 into 123. The answer is right there in front of your eyes. So I'll tell you more about Python in the next video. Stay tuned and subscribe to the channel so that you get updates about Python, whatever I post about Python. Until then, goodbye.